Hello everyone, the Inazuma Warrior, and today we are going to play Inazuma 11. Yeah, Blizzard. This is the third part of it, and yeah, we're going to play it. So yeah. What are we going to do right now? Yeah, we must go to the football pitch at Raymond. Yeah. That's all. And yeah, there are we going to see our new coach, if I'm correct right now. And today I'm going to talk a little bit about what I did in my vacation right now. Yeah, I did funny things like playing soccer with my friends. Yeah, just a great time. And I watched animes like Bleach, and yeah, I'm currently watching an anime called Ghost Hunter, and yeah, here's the cutscene.
No way! The ground's moving! Huh? What's that?
What's that? Yeah, so I'm waiting for this cutscene to be ending. Yeah, it's amazing. Yeah, Mark. Yeah, really, truly is. It's amazing. But what I just said is I'm currently watching an anime called Ghost Hunter. It's really cool. Yeah, the story goes by a girl called Mia something. Yeah, it's just anime about ghosts and such things. Yeah, and I watched Inazuma 11 2 years ago when Galaxy was ended. Yeah, I fully watched that anime. So yeah.
What? Governor?
Waiting for the
Is this
cutscene.
really the best team in the country?
Coach Lena.
Who's she? Any ideas? Search me.
Who are you?
I'll be taking over as coach of your team from today. I'm Lena Schiller.
Yeah, she is Lena Schiller.
Wow! She's amazing!
I know. I know she is amazing. Yeah. She's truly amazing, but hey. She's going to be our new coach. Yeah. But not the best coach ever. The best coach ever is Wonderbot something. I just forgot the name. Or is it really that name? I don't know. But yeah, too long vacation right now. I didn't play Inazuma for a long time, so just a month ago was the last. Yeah, it was not the last episode. It was the first episode from Inazuma Eleven-Blizzard, but yeah, that's long ago. And yesterday was the second episode. Yesterday of or that day before that. I know. I know when this episode's going on. So they're talking the talking. Yeah. They're talking the talk. Just kidding. But yeah, I am currently watching Ghost Hunter and World Trigger. If you don't know what World Trigger is, it's just such a cool anime. It's about a guy named Osama. Yeah. And he is some kind of guy who can bring out a trigger with more people. That's worked by a sort of something like an elite. Yeah, sorry. But yeah, here is Eric and Bobby. Yeah. But yeah, they're like an elite, and they're fighting against. I'm not coming great at my words. Yeah, they're fighting against the neighborhood. That's like monsters from another dimension. And yeah, and then there's a neighbor, yeah, called Kuga. He fights against neighbors. He is like a human, but he comes from another dimension. And now there's a how can I call it? A little girl called Chica. She got a Trion power. Trion power is like the more Trion you have, the more neighbors is going after you. So yeah. So Osamu must just how can I call it? Just help her. Because her brother was kidnapped by the neighborhood, so that means that Osamu is now with Chica. He's like her big brother. So yeah, Chica wants to be a trigger holder, and she got a sniper currently. And she wants to fight to become rank A, so you can go to other dimensions. But now, currently, I'm not going to spoil more or something. Yeah, they are on a race. Like Osamu, Kuga, and Chica are on the race to go to rank A. There's much talking right now, but hey. Much. Yeah, further ado, it's like a great anime to watch. And yeah. Yeah, we are finally battling someone. It's better than not battling someone. Yeah, we're gonna score right away. It's too easy. I wanted so bad to win from Gemini Storm in the beginning, first match, but yeah, you cannot win. I'm sorry, you cannot win from in the match, because it's like the storyline, and that's what I hate. But no, but it will be too easy. Yeah, it will be too easy. Yeah, I'm like thinking for what I must go to. Oh yeah, right. Umbrella, because we must find one more player, and then we must go to Umbrella to find that player. I'm thinking to get that player on the left. I was thinking that the whole fine. So yeah, the player on the left. What's his name? Chains or Cheney or something? I don't know. Yeah. Bleach goes about a guy named Kurosaki Ichigo, and he got spiritual powers or something like that. He's more spiritual. He can see ghosts or something like that. He can see that, and then there's one day there comes a hollow, and because he and his sisters got spiritual power, the hollows won't eat them. So then there is a girl called what's her name? I just forgot. Just thinking. Yeah, there's a girl. Just say it. Yeah, I watched Bleach, but I just forgot it. I don't know why. Yeah. So there, he got her powers from Shinigami powers, and then yeah, he is fighting them. So yeah, I'm not going to spoil more things. I'm just saying some animes right now. Yeah. Does it? Or you can see. Wait, just a second. Just thinking, which anime? Death Note. Death Note is just one of the greatest anime I've ever seen. I think Bleach is the best anime that I've ever seen. Yeah. But Inazuma 11 is also great. It's like the first. And yeah. Yeah, I think this is like a calm episode and things like that. It's like from a 1 month vacation, or yeah, summer vacation. It's like 1 month doing nothing. But now I'm back. I can make Inazuma, yeah, Inazuma things like this the whole time. What I like to do. Yeah, the first episode was 1 month ago. And yeah, we're starting again. I hope you guys like this episode. Yeah, I like to be calm like this. But yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode. Give a like, and I'll see you later.